Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Denny Saputra, NIM 200X6170. I will answer the question that are given. Number 1. A brief history of basketball in the world and in Indonesia. In this world, the beginning of the development of basketball is a lot of people who are conflicted because many think that the game of basketball is too hard and is not suitable if it is done in a classroom. Because of that, James Naismith decided to make basic rules for playing basketball and began to be played by his students. In Indonesia, the development of basketball has a long history in Indonesia, initially starting with the entry of immigrants from China to Indonesia in the 1920. Chinese immigrants brought the game of basketball that has been developed in China. Number 2. Basketball game ideas. Put the ball into the opponent's ring. Defend your ring from opponent attacks. Find as many points. Number 3. Basic techniques in basketball games. Passing and catching. Passing and catching are movements in basketball that lead to giving and receiving feedback from teammates. Next, dribbling. Dribbling is carrying the ball to avoid the opponent and attack the opponent. Another meaning of dribbling is how to carry a basketball with a bounce off the floor using two or one hand, alternatively. Next, shooting. Shooting is to release off or shoot the ball into the basket to get points. The goal is to score points. Next, pivot. Pivot is a rotating motion with one foot as the pivot and the position of the hand holding the basketball. Pivot is a movement that aims to save the ball from the opponent. Next, rebound. Rebound is an attempt to catch the bounced ball from a failed shooting attempt by the opposing team. Your teammates themselves in the basketball hoop area. Rebound aims to take back the ball that failed to enter the ring. Next, slam dunk. Slam dunk is the act of scoring 2 points by flying to get a ball held with one or two hands from above into the ring. Next, screen. Screen is the movement of a basketball player as an attacker that aims to free his teammate from the opponent. This screen movement is done by using a method of closing the direction of the opposing team's movement in order to protect his teammates. Then open the space for movement given to his teammates, namely by providing a path through the player who is going to screen. Next, layup. Layup is a shot that is taken from a very close distance with the basket. So that is as if the ball is being put into the basketball hoop, which is preceded by a wide stepping motion and jumping as high as possible. Number 4. What is ball handling? The meaning of the word ball handling is possession of the ball. Ball handling is the practice and learning of ball mastery as a basis of foundation for proceeding to more complex techniques in basketball. Number 5. The passing function in basketball games. Passing service to give the ball to teammates. The passing technique is one of the most basic technique in basketball and must be mastered by every player. Number 6. Dribble function in basketball games. The purpose of dribbling is to get to the opponent's area more quickly in an effort to get the ball into the opponent's basket. Easier to infiltrate and break through the opponent's defense and to confuse the opponent's defense and the opponent's games does to not develop so that the game's is led. Number 7. What is shooting? Shooting is shooting the ball into the basket to get points. In other words, throwing the basketball directly into the opponent's ring is called a shooting technique. Number 8. What is a layup? Layup is a shot that is taken from a very close distance to the rings so that it is as if the ball is being placed into the basketball hoop, which is pressed by a with stepping motion and a high jump. Number 9. What is an yundering? Yundering is a technique of playing basketball by inserting the ball by running toward the ring and throwing it from below into the basketball hoop. That is all and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.